Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Expert Coding. Today I will make program ASCII value of character, and also I tell you print ASCII value of character, like input A and is ASCII value of 65. Let's go write our program. First I create a class ASCII. Then write our main method public static void main, and here I input character, take a character ch, then input our character a b, like, and here write system out dot print and enter any character. Enter any character. Then here input a scanner, create a scanner class, a scanner scan equal to new scanner system dot print, and here create object ch equal to scan dot next dot check act. Zero. Now here so take 0 because character's default value is 0, so here I take 0, and then here converted character value to integer value. So how I convert integer value, character value to integer value? Here I take variable int a equal to ch. Then my program is completed, and here output, show the output on display. System dot out dot println. So here write a ASCII value of ch each a. My program is completed. And here I import a scanner package, import java dot util dot scanner, and now I go to compile the program. So here write java c and class name ASCII dot java, and my program is successfully compiled. Then now going to run our program. So here write only java and only class name ASCII and hit enter. My program is successfully run, and here any character, so I take capital A and hit enter. So SI value of capital A is 65. Here I will give a space. Space. Again run this program. Here take capital B and hit enter. SI value of B is 66 and SI value is of C is 67. So my program is successfully completed, and I hope you understood my program. So thank you.